So much for that, Lata. But let's move on and sources say that the Heavy Industry Ministry writes to Finance Ministry in support of auto industry demand for a GST reduction, and this is on CNG two-wheelers. Parikshit is joining in with us this afternoon to give us more details on this one. Parikshit, what are we expecting here and what are you picking up?
Well, this has been a conversation between the auto industry, especially top two-wheeler makers, and the Ministry of Heavy Industries since June last year. The plea from the auto industry body to the government was this, that CNG two-wheelers can play an important role in two-wheeler penetration in the country and also reducing pollution and helping us meet our emission goals, our lower emission goals as well. The industry body SIAM pointed out to the government that India's tax rates on two-wheelers, which is 28% GST, then you have regulatory costs. That makes it a very high proposition in terms of taxation and a much higher tax rate compared to geographies like Vietnam, Brazil, Philippines, Indonesia, which have the tax rates in the range of 8 to 12%. Having said that, a case was made for reducing GST on CNG two-wheelers. Now, the Ministry of Heavy Industries, which is a nodal body for the auto sector, sent this proposal to the Ministry of Road Transport, Ministry of Environment and Forests, Ministry of Petroleum, Natural Gas, and also the Automotive Research Association of India. Now, all of them have replied to the MHI saying that, yes, they support the industry demand for reduction of GST on CNG two-wheelers. These are vehicles which can run both on petrol and on CNG, which is considered to be a green fuel in the country. Having said that, the MHI has now made a proposal saying that it backs the industry's demand for reducing the GST on CNG two-wheelers specifically from 28% to 18%. But now this is a decision that the Finance Ministry has to take in consideration the GST Council. It's not a decision that the government can take on its own. It's the Council which will have to take this decision.
Okay, thank you so much for the latest update coming in on this front, Parikshit. Council is the one who will have to take the decision on this GST number for the auto industry. But let's move on, and the